You, you are a pig. You prefer n plus 1 units of a good to n units of the same good. Almost 100% guaranteed that you prefer that. If you were in the store, okay, and you bought a candy bar for $1, and you notice that you can buy a second candy bar, there's a huge sale going on, for just 10 cents, you're probably going to go ahead and add that second candy bar to the basket. That's just human nature. We as humans are wired to prefer more of something. That's just natural human instinct. But what does that matter in AgEcon? Why do we care about that? Well, because by consuming n plus 1 units and wanting that extra additional unit for satisfaction, we ourselves are contributing to the problem of scarcity. Okay? So the pig principle in action, again, we have our 3 big questions that any economic society faces. How much of each good should be produced? How should the goods be produced? And who should get the goods that are produced? Okay? So we want to satisfy our pig principle to the fullest extent possible, right? Because we want to get goods ourselves and we want everyone to be happy. But there's some specific measures that have to go in place in order to make that happen. And that is going to be, we're going to skip this activity for now. That is going to be the pig principle in action, okay? So I want you to think about 3 ways that you live out the pig principle in your daily life. Some examples of goods or services where you tend to purchase more than you truly need. I challenge you to think of at least 3. If you can think of more, great, but try to think of a minimum of 3. And this will all kind of connect back in a little bit when we talk about allocation, okay? So think of 3 ways you live out the pig principle in your life.